Whoa! Everyone's like, ah! What up?
That's Steven Bauer. Caitlin Dawson.
Where's Caitlin Crossan?
I think that was Caitlin.
Caitlin!
Or it was Christina.
I think it was. She just turned around.
No, you suck.
That's.
You make me pick Willow!
My back is gonna like break at the angle I am in.
So far.
You fucking whore. You fucking whore.
That one.
No.
Yes.
No.
No, that's
no.
not it.
No, it was not.
My arm's getting tired. Anyone want to take over for a while?
More.
What more do you need?
That's not a weeping willow. That's a weeping gamer.
That looks like a fireball. It's dangerous.
Yeah.
Maybe these. Maybe not.
No, that was just wicked bright in my face.
Is it gonna stop
No.
recording? Why are you blinking?
No.
When you said McLovin, I expected you to say fucking 6'6" kid in the kitchen. Alright.
No.
Hot off the griddle.
You can't just go around the name.